We've got some stuff to unbox. So I have just received a bunch of stuff for camera related stuff. I didn't actually buy it, my mom bought it. But anyways, we're going to be unboxing it today. I'm in China still, if you've seen the last video. So the setup's a bit bad today. I'm trying to film 2 angles with one camera, so it's going to be cool. But yeah, let's get right into it. So this is a camera.
Canon R8 全画幅
And that's my cousin, whose name is...
My name is Eric.
Yes, my cousin's joining me because we're in China, as I said, and I don't have a lot of space. I'm filming in the living room. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Not child labor. And then we also got a screen protector, I think, for the camera screen, a tripod, a camera lens, SD card reader, which I already have, SD card, a camera bag, and this thing. Yeah, let's get unboxing. So let's start with the camera. So this is the EOS R8, or whatever my cousin called it earlier in Chinese.
Canon R8 全画幅
I have no idea what it actually is because I don't familiarize myself with the content, I just film. Okay. Rather easy unboxing, unlike the Apple boxes. Technical difficulties. So we got instructions in many languages. Okay, cool. We got the Canon strap. I think it's a Canon camera, by the way. I have no idea what this is. We'll open it up in a second. More stuff. The plug, Canon plug. And then we got the camera straight up. Okay, let's open up this stuff first. Let's just. I think there's nothing else there. Alright, cool. Let's just. Yeah, and my cousin could deal with that. Let's start with this bag. So this is something. Oh, it's the charge, I think. You can see. I think these are the batteries. Because that one's, you have to put a battery inside, and then this one is the battery itself. Alright, that's, and then we got the strap here. Thank you. Alright, and here's the strap. So that's some cool stuff here. Let's just, I almost slid the camera off the table. Yeah, instruction manual, la la la. Alright, and then now we got the camera itself. Now normally I don't start with the big thing, but like today we're starting off with a big thing because I'm changing things up a bit. So inside we got the camera immediately. I have no idea. It's the EOS R8. Oh, it's a lens protector. We'll unbox the lens in a second. But here's the actual camera. I don't actually know how to use it or anything because I'm not smart like that. But yeah, that's the camera, the big camera unboxing. Let's move on to the small stuff, and then I'll actually figure out how to use it. So here we got the camera lens. 50mm f1.8. Oh, that's actually a big aperture. The lens itself, which makes this thing look more like an actual camera. Alright, I think this is empty as well. Alright, cool. And here we got the actual lens, which we can attach onto. So here we got the camera lens, slightly further. Here we got the camera lens, which we're going to attach onto the actual camera in a second. Other stuff. Oh, finally get the chair. So here we got the SD card, pretty infamous on my channel for liking SSDs. They're cool. Alright. It's a 64GB storage card. Oh, actually it's bigger transfer speed. I might use this. This box is empty. So here's the actual SD card, and I think there's paperwork there. So open up this storage card, as they call it. 64GB. It's pretty normal storage card. Moving on to the tripod. I should have unboxed this before the SD card, but ow, my back. Alright, I think we need to include some of this footage. Here we go, the tripod. It's just like the Insta360 tripod, but like an actual tripod instead of being a gimbal. Alright, and here's the actual tripod, which you can set the camera on. I don't know why you actually use it for this kind of thing, but this kind of camera, but yes, it's there. Alright, cool. And two more stuff left. There's the tempered film on camera screen, which I'll come back to, and there's the USB 3.0 card reader, which I have one of. Oh wait, no, this is what I need. Oh right. Alright, thanks to my cousin, who actually has fingernails, we've gotten this open. There you go. It's probably pretty cheap. A pretty standard SD card reader. And I think that's almost it, except for this tempered film, which we're gonna put straight onto the camera. Alright, this is the camera itself. I know nothing about cameras. I think I know what these buttons mean, sort of. I have no idea how to attach a battery. Yeah, you put that on this, I assume. I don't know if you want it, but I'm not gonna put this on. Alright, cool. Let's figure out where to put the SD card in. So, here, so that's the unboxing done. We'll just set up. Let's find, oh, card back open. Card back open. I think if you pull it. Okay, we actually have to be careful. It goes straight. No, the actual. Oh my goodness. It's like what iPhone Apple events look like, except like actual big scale. Like if you make pixels, except you can't. Okay, apparently we're supposed to open up. Lens cap off. Camera cap. Oh, camera cap. In there is the actual like flashing shutter. The actual shutter. Yeah, that's cool. Never seen that before. And camera cap. I've removed both. Oh wait. Okay, we screwed this one back. Oh wait, no. Okay, cool, let's just screw this on. Red one's up here. Turn until it clicks into place. Oh! Oh, we got it! I thought this camera lens would be slightly longer for 50mm. Mail. Alright, cool. Okay, we got the lens. I don't know how do you close it? Okay, nope, not that. Okay, I think it's just this, but I have no idea how to attach it. Oh, I'm so stupid. Alright, cool. Sorry about this scuffed setup. Alright, and oh, there's even a mic place so we can attach the mic, except I think I threw that thing or what. Oh my goodness, okay. Let's try and attach the battery and the SD card. And I'm not actually going to use it. Or is that going to be it? I don't know. Maybe that's just it. No. You know why this video is called trying to set up the camera? It's because I don't actually know how to set it up. So I'm just going to attach it to the tripod, which is actually something I know. Then we're going to conclude the video. Let's just attach this. And boom. And if I've taken any photos with it, or any of my family have taken photos with it, then I'll show you at the end of the video. Otherwise, oh, I got the tripod working. At least I did something. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Sorry about the scuffed setup and video, very scuffed video, because I have no idea how to set up a camera. The most experience I've had with cameras is like old GoPro and my iPhone. But yeah, that's basically it for, oh, you can see me in the reflection. That's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm not able to set up the other camera angles, but I'll see you next time, which should be in 2026, even though, actually this video is in 2026, so see you in 2026 in Australia, I guess? I don't know. Alright, see ya.